Methods of expressing concentration of a solution. Okay, so how we can express the concentration of a solution, or how we can define a concentration of solution? That is, the concentration of solution is the amount of solute is dissolved in a known amount of solvent or solution. Is that clear? Right. So here the particular amount of some amount of solute is dissolved. We don't know the amount of solute, but we know the known amount of solvent. We know the amount of solvent, but don't know the amount of solute. So here how we can express concentration of solution. Concentration of solution is the amount of solute is dissolved in known amount of solvent, or solution. So generally the concentration of solution we can express in various ways. Okay, the concentration of solution we are expressing in various ways. So the ways are, the first one is weight to weight percentage. Weight to weight percent. How we can? So we can give as a percentage of W by W. Weight by weight. Okay, so weight to weight ratio we will come. So what is weight to weight percentage? Means nothing but the percentage of W by W is equal nothing but weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. Clear? So what is weight to weight ratio? The percentage of weight by weight is equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solution. So this is the formula for weight by weight ratio. Okay. For example, we will take 10% of sodium hydroxide. You can take 10% of sodium carbonate, whatever you can take, or 10% of sodium chloride. So what it indicates that 10% of sodium hydroxide, generally the sodium hydroxide is a solid material. Here the sodium carbonate is a solid material, or you can take sodium 10% of sodium chloride. So all these are materials are solid in nature. So how we can express a 10% of sodium hydroxide? So 10% of sodium hydroxide means, student, 10 grams of sodium hydroxide, 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. Clear? 100 grams of solution. Clear? So 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. Then it gives a weight to weight percentage. Okay? Right. So 10% of sodium carbonate means 10 grams of sodium carbonate. 10 grams of sodium carbonate is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. We know very well, because solution is nothing but it is a homogeneous mixture of solute dissolves in a solvent. So here solution contains 10 grams of sodium hydroxide and water. So these 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is present in water. So that is the total is grams of solute plus grams of water. So it gives the total amount of solution. Clear? So the weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. Okay, right. So we will calculate 10 grams of sodium hydroxide means weight of the solute is 10 divided by the weight of the solution is 100 into 100. So that is equal to weight by weight percentage is 10%. Okay, so that is 10 grams of 10% means nothing but student. So 10% means 10% means the 10 grams of sodium solute is dissolved in 100 grams of solution. So this is weight to weight ratio. Okay, then we will move to the second one, that is percentage of weight to value. Weight to value. Percentage of weight to value. So we can express W by V. W by V. Okay. So what is W by V? Percentage of W by V. Percentage of W by V. So here weight of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Volume of solution into 100. So this is the formula for the calculation of weight to value ratios. Okay, so weight by volume is equal to weight of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Right. Here, for example, we will take the same concept, that is 10% of sodium hydroxide. 10% of sodium hydroxide. So 10% of sodium hydroxide, which what indicates that 10 grams of, here because the solute we are taking in amount of grams. Okay, clear, right? So 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of solution. So is it clear? Here we are expressing in terms of weight of the solution, but here we are expressing in terms of value. Okay, here we are expressing in terms of value. So that is weight of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So here 10% of sodium hydroxide means that the 10 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Clear? So you can take 10% of sodium carbonate, or you can take 10% of sodium chloride. The 10% of sodium carbonate indicates that 10 grams of sodium carbonate is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. 10 grams of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. So this is a weight to value ratio. Okay, then next one, weight volume to value percent. That is percent of V by V. Clear? Percent of V by V. So volume by value. So volume by value. How we can write? So percentage of volume by value is equal to, simple. So volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So this is the formula in the case of both solute and solution in the form of solution nature only or liquids nature only. So that is volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. For example, 10% of ethanol. 10% of ethanol. So because here, so ethanol is a liquid. So we are not taking solid materials. Just we will take only liquid material. So here it is a ethanol. 10% of ethanol. So 10% of ethanol means nothing but, so here 100 ml, or we can take 100 cubic centimeter also, that is we can take 100 ml, or you can take 100 cc also. 100 cubic centimeters is equal to 100 ml only. So 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 ml. Clear? So here the 10, so what it indicates, 10% of ethanol means 10 cc or, so 10 cubic centimeter or 10 ml of ethanol, 10 ml of ethanol dissolved in, ethanol is dissolved in 100 cc or 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of solution. So we will measure the 10 ml of ethanol and dissolved in it 100 cc or 100 ml of solution. Okay. So here the total quantity is 100 ml, student. So the total quantity is 100 ml. But here, so we will add only 90 ml of water and 10 ml of ethanol, then it equal to 100 ml of solution. Okay. So generally what we will do, the common mistake is measure the 10 ml of ethanol and is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. That is not correct. Okay. So the total volume of solution is equal to 100. So that is equal to, how we can measure the 10 ml, you can take 10 ml of ethanol, 10 ml of ethanol plus we don't know the how much amount. So means let's add 90 ml of water. So water is a solvent, that is equal to 100 ml solution. So measure the 10 ml of ethanol plus add 90 ml of water, then it becomes 100 ml of solution. So don't add 10 ml of ethanol plus 100 ml of water. Don't add 100 ml of water here, because we are taking only 90 ml of water, because the total volume of solution is equal to 100 ml only. Okay, clear? So that is volume by volume. So 10% of ethanol, that means 10 cubic centimeter or 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in 100 cc or 100 ml of solution. Clear? Right. Next, the last one is the fourth one is volume to weight. Volume to weight percent. Volume to weight percent. So that means V by W. V by, already we know that is very well weight by volume, but here it is reverse, volume by weight. So that is equal, how we can represent volume to weight. So that is percentage of volume by weight, that is equal to volume of solute, here volume of solute divided by weight of solution, weight of solution into 100. So the percentage of V by W is equal to volume of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. So for example, we will take the same 10% of ethanol. 10% of ethanol. So 10% of ethanol, because here we are taking the volume of solute is in liquid form. So here 10% of ethanol means 10 cc or 10 ml of ethanol. 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in 100 grams of solution. Dissolved in 100 grams of solution. So that is volume to weight percentage. So these four formulas are very important for the numericals in solutions. Okay. So weight to weight is equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. Volume by weight by volume is equal to weight of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. The third one is volume by volume. Volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. The fourth one is volume by weight, that is equal to volume of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. Clear? So these four formulas are very important for numericals. Okay.